So I'm gonna make these oat bars. I think I did a picture of it last week or whatever. But this is how they make it. And pretty much I'm using the staple ingredients that I always use for the most part. So watch how simple this is. Let's go. So first I'm gonna take some old-fashioned oats. I'm gonna eyeball it. Maybe about a cup and a half. Next we're gonna add, I'm just gonna add the chocolate chips next. You don't have to do it in this order. That's it. Maybe half a cup. So now I have a spoon and I melt my peanut butter in the bowl because I like that it's already soft and it's warm, and it's actually gonna melt these chocolate chips because it's warm. So when I bake it, it's still gonna have like a little chocolatey, like a cookie taste to these bars. All right, now I'm gonna add some honey, or you can do maple syrup. This is like a good snack for your kids or anybody. You don't want some, you want something sweet, but you're still trying to do something yourself. Cut down on some calories, but this is actually something that you can do. So let's get this honey out. So once all your ingredients in the bowl, you're gonna mix it up. I'm just using this little spatula. I'm gonna mix it up pretty good, and I'm gonna put it in a pan, just a little small baking sheet, and I'm gonna bake it in the oven at 350 for maybe 10 minutes and pop it out, and we're gonna see how they are. And you don't want to cut it right away. You just want to let it set a little bit. Then we're going to cut it into little squares, and it should be good. Now this is the pan that I'm using now, because I didn't make a whole lot. They're going to probably be kind of thinner, but the more oats and ingredients you put in there, the thicker they'll be in this size pan. So I'm gonna spread it out as best as I can because it's like a small batch. So that may be a little thinner, but you can make them as thick as you want, how much oats you want to put in there, and you can do that. So I'm going to bake it in the oven, as I said before, and we're going to see how they are once they cool off. I'll let you guys know. So this is a piece of the bar, and it tastes really good. What, 4 ingredients? Tastes good. So this is a good snack. This is just good. Something that's give you a little sweetness. Tastes good. Chocolate, peanut butter, can't go wrong with that, right? Small steps. Try it.